Do I need a native app for my business? So we get asked a lot when speccing out projects for people. A lot of times the question always comes up, or the statement is made, I really want a native app. And a native app means an app that is built specifically for a native device. Native being an iPhone, iOS, or Android, or Microsoft Windows, or whatever it is. That is a native application. So when you load up Facebook on your phone, you're running a Facebook application on iOS. Where this gets a little tricky now is that there are things that are called app wrappers, where you can wrap an entire website that's built for the web into a native wrapper and serve that up as an app. So if you've ever opened an app that really was just the mobile version of a website, but it was on your phone as an app, that's technically considered a wrapper typically. It gets very detailed and complex very quick of how those things work. For most businesses, you can almost always get by just having a well put together website that's responsive, that works on desktop, tablet, mobile. And unless there is some special functionality you need that's related specifically to an app, or you think your users are going to be way more likely to open up your app than they are to go to your website, you may or may not need an actual native app. You may need an app that's wrapped, or your website that's wrapped in a native app wrapper. You might not need it at all. So every business is different. Most people on their phone will not go to facebook.com and browse. They don't do that. You use the app, because it's very, very native to your phone. It wants to access your pictures, your microphone, your camera. It wants to know where you are. It's locating you. It is sharing your data, most likely, unless you opted out. There's very good reason for an app like that to truly be an app. If your website, if you're a plumber and you want them to book you online, probably don't need an app. People are not likely to go back to that app and rebook you. They're likely to go search for you or call you from your business card or look you up online. So you have to know whether or not people are likely to actually use some sort of app to get to you, or whether they're more likely to do a Google search for your business name, or even better, they just happen to put your contact information in their phone. So it just all depends truly on your business. There are many, many use cases for an app. They can also be very, very expensive. If you buy a cheap app, meaning like an app service, it's likely you're going to get a very bad app that doesn't actually provide very much value. So you have to know what it is that you're trying to get to, what's your outcome that you want, and then work backwards to find the technology. So when you're thinking about your next website, don't worry too much about, do I need an app? Think about what you want the users to be able to do, and then you can work backwards from there to land the plane on what technology you need. If you don't know what you need, reach out to us, reach out to another agency, get help to see what type of app you need, where your market is, how it would be used. There's a million things you need to know before you go out there looking for an app company, because you'll find an app company, they will sell you making an app. Whether it returns any money into your business is a whole other story. So make sure you kind of do some research and understand what this looks like, and get help if you need help. We hope this is helpful. As always, take care and let us know what you guys need. Thanks.